Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender. Today we are making a My Boy Blue. This one comes from Uva Wine and Cocktail Bar in Vancouver. I got that right? Yeah, win! So Uva Wine and Cocktail Bar by someone called Wyeth Maier. He was the creator of this cocktail. It's a tequila, it's a black currant tequila sour. Yeah, it would be. So this one calls for a little bit of the addition of white creme de cacao. So it's going to add some chocolate notes to it. On the recipe, it just says tequila, so I'm assuming it's going to be a Blanco tequila. But at the same time, I think this cocktail will lend itself to a reposado or something with a little bit of age, because then those oaky vanilla notes will pair very well with the chocolate from the creme de cacao. So in particular, I don't have a huge selection of tequilas on the bar, but the Herradura Plata is aged for 45 days, so it does have notes of cooked agave and just a little subtle bit of oak to it. So I know I don't have many options, but I still think this will work well. But reposado is another option. Let's get straight into it and measure out 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of your preferred tequila. In my case, Herradura. 45 ml, 1.5. And then we've got Cassis. Thanks for the little gift. This was for my Christmas gift from the team from Marionette. Got a little 5-pack of their liqueurs. So we've got 15 ml, half an ounce of Cassis, and this is like really rich, like intense Ribena. I wonder if Ribena is available everywhere. Then we've got 7.5 ml of creme de cacao. This is a white creme de cacao, so it's I'll leave a link to the video up here. You can check it out yourself. Super easy to make. Run it through a coffee filter. 7.5 ml, 1/4 ounce. Run it through a coffee filter and it comes out super clear like this. That's delicious. It's really good. Then we've got egg white. So 15 ml, half an ounce. And last ingredient is freshly pressed lime juice. Perfect. So 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. And of course, we've got egg white, so we want to give it a dry shake. Emulsify the egg. And yes, I do have an ice scoop. I've lost it. So I technically don't have an ice scoop. I'll replace it soon. So good. I'm gonna have to start making some clear ice cubes for the show, because this particular glass would look absolutely amazing with a giant clear cube, but alas, I do not. Double strain over the top. And hopefully once it separates, it has a nice crimson kind of color. The picture that I've seen on Vibe.com. It looks amazing, it looks incredible. It looks like beet juice. It's really, really quite bright. And for garnish, we are going to express some orange oils over the top. discard that and then garnish with dehydrated orange. If you don't have dehydrated orange, or if you can't be bothered making it, then just orange peel will be fine. I think it looks quite nice. It's quite elegant, this glass. But once it actually settles, it'll be a little bit darker. In the meantime, I'm gonna try some tequila. So the Herradura Plata, aged for 45 days. And I'll compare it to an organic Reposado Dolce Vita. The Dolce Vita sits at 50%, whilst the Herradura sits at 40, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 40. It's got a lot of cooked agave and really subtle oaky cedar kind of notes to it. A little bit of spiciness to it. It's good tequila. A lot softer on the nose. You don't get obviously you get the agave, but it's not cooked and it's not as bold. Once you leave it on oak and it ages a little bit, then it softens the spirit. Definitely a lot more oakiness to this. I've seen a lot more time on the wood. I want to take a photo before I drink it. All right, definitely doesn't look like the photo. It looks a lot more cloudy, but it's still a really nice looking drink. There is the My Boy Blue. Cheers. You just get the citrus on the nose because obviously I've expressed the oils on the top of the foam. So it smells super citrusy, but it's a lot softer. Bit of tartness from the cassis. And those cooked agave notes. That's a beautiful tequila sour. Highly recommend trying this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.